Take a look at this powerful image because it captures an important moment in history. Last night, Kristen Clarke was sworn in as the Assistant Attorney General for the Civil Rights Division at the Department of Justice. The first woman, the first black woman to ever hold that position. And she was sworn in by Vice President Kamala Harris, the first black woman to ever hold that position. You can see Kristen's mother holding the Bible she uses to take the oath of office. It was a moment that almost didn't happen, with Republicans holding up her nomination for months. But in the end, she was confirmed 51-48, with Susan Collins being the only Republican to support her. Kristen Clarke's nomination is such an important first for black people, especially black women. Can you speak to us about how monumental this is?
This is monumental, absolutely. Kristen Clarke, first of all, is eminently qualified, extraordinary, a magnificent lawyer, and really is the best person for the job. But for black women to see this eminently qualified young woman who has served, who is a leading civil rights advocate in this country, the first ever to be confirmed at this time in history, given where we are in this country in social justice, is absolutely amazing. This country needs Kristen Clarke. And to make matters more spectacular, for her to be confirmed by our first ever woman and African-American Vice President of the United States is simply something that we will never, ever be able to match in terms of significance for this country. And she is the most qualified person, bar none, for this position. And the level of scrutiny that she sustained in large part was because of her race and because, of course, she's a woman. So she's a black woman. She's got a double whammy there. But she prevailed because, quite frankly, she is needed now more than ever. So we, at the National Bar Association, we sent letters of support. We called. We were relentless, just as so many other organizations, because we knew that she needed to be in this position at this time in history. This country needs Kristen Clarke. So we're absolutely delighted that she is there. She's prepared. She's ready. And this is what it is to be a strong America, where you can have someone who is that talented represent and be the number 2 person at the Justice Department. So we are absolutely delighted, and we were prepared to fight for that. So I'm so happy that she was confirmed. A slim margin, a victory is a victory. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you win by 1 or 2. When you win and when you're confirmed, that's what we need, and that's what happened.